Welcome this video. Succulent gardening a create and smart space green solved. In recent year, gardening have going increasing popular urban plant love and Arabic delmon. One of the most structure and low main entrance form of versatile gardening and the succulent gardening. Those beautiful and space effect often an idea thought for those who have limited ground space but want to enjoy the benefit of lush gardening. We explored everything you need to know about succulent gardening for those benefit. To step by step introducing on how to create and main entrance one benches a style succulent gardening smart say one of the big availability of succulent gardening is those about to minimize space. Unlike traditional gardening, when requested